Genuine question. When are Republicans going to learn? Because there's one pattern that plays out over and over and over again among Republican politicians, and they always have a different name for it, but it's always the same thing. Drain the swamp, pork spending, deep state corruption, government bloat, and now they're calling it Medicaid, waste, fraud, and abuse. Because right now, Mike Johnson and House Republicans are working with Trump to try to obliterate Medicaid in a bill that Congress's own budget office says is going to cost over 8 million Americans their health insurance. Now, Trump insists that these cuts are only eliminating waste, fraud, and abuse. But after 40 years of complaining and investigating and searching, Republicans still haven't learned one really simple lesson. The boogeyman they're looking for, around every corner, inside every closet, under every bed, it doesn't exist. This is why Ronald Reagan failed. It's why Newt Gingrich failed. It's why George W. Bush failed. It's why Elon Musk and Doge failed. And now it is why Donald Trump and Mike Johnson are failing. There aren't red and blue policies. There aren't red and blue people. There aren't welfare queens, and there aren't freeloaders, not in any real significant number. Doge just spent 3 months harvesting every data point from every human in America, every business, every nonprofit, and every government organization. They went through every contract line by line. They went through every item in the federal budget line by line, and the amount of savings that they found was so pathetic they had to cut into the meat just to pretend they saved us something. They fired regular Americans doing critical work. They terminated essential contracts to American organizations, and they shut down programs that are helping millions of people. And now we're seeing the exact same goddamn thing with this House budget. They haven't found a single thing worth cutting. So they're cutting taxes for rich people, which nobody needs, and they're cutting directly into Medicaid benefits, not for freeloaders and abusers, but for regular people like us. People who paid into those programs, who qualify for those programs, were entitled to those benefits. When are they going to learn? There is no they. There is no boogeyman. There is just us, and we deserve better.